Hey foodies and health buffs, welcome to Miss Food Technologies channel where I dish out nutrition tips and food insights to fuel your well-being and culinary adventures. Today we will discuss about the food allergies and intolerance. What is food allergy and intolerance? An introduction to the concept of food allergies and introduction highlighting the impact on individuals' health and well-being. Food allergies, first of all, what is food allergies? How we will define? Food allergies are the result of the body immune system reacting to specific proteins in certain foods. Common triggers like allergens like peanuts, tree nuts, shellfish, milk, eggs, soya and wheat can elect allergic reaction. Severity reaction can range from the mild itching or hives to severe anaphylaxis is a life-threatening condition. What are the common food allergens? So what are the common food allergens? First is peanuts. A common allergen causing severe reactions in some individuals. Dairy, lactose intolerance and milk allergies are common issues. Egg allergies, reactions to egg are often seen in children and the shellfish. Shellfish allergies can be severe and life-threatening. Symptoms of food allergies like mild to severe including hives, swelling, itching, digesting issues. In severe cases, anaphylaxis can occur, leading to difficulty breathing, loss of consciousness, and even death. Diagnosis of food allergies like first is physical examination, allergic testing, medical history review. Physical examination like you have to check like such as hives, eczema, nasal congestion. Allergy testing like prick test, blood test or oral food challenges to identify allergens. Management of food allergies. First is educate yourself. Learn about common allergens and how to avoid them. Consult a doctor. Create an action plan. Food intolerance is a non-allergic adverse reaction to certain foods. It occurs when the body has difficulty digesting specific substances leading to the digestive issue and discomfort. Key differences between food allergies and food intolerance. Food allergies and food intolerance both are different. Like food allergies involve an immune system. It reacts an immune system reaction triggered by a specific food protein leading to the symptom like hives, swelling or anaphylaxis. Food intolerance is a non-immune reaction but occurs due to the body inability to properly digest certain foods like bloating, gas, diarrhea but doesn't involve the immune system. Managing food intolerance. Dairy modifications, enzyme supplements and medical consultation. These are both important. So first is dietary modification, adjusting the diet to eliminate specific trigger. Food can help manage food intolerance. Enzyme supplements, using enzyme supplements can aid in digesting foods that may be causing intolerance. Medical consultation like seeking advice from a healthcare professionals can provide guidance on managing food intolerance. Conclusion and resources. Understanding food allergies and intolerance, seek professional guidance, community support, educational resources. Through this, we can find a conclusion and resources. Thank you.